Here's how to use Stremio offline. First is go to www.stremio.com and you'll be able to see their official website. Now to use it offline, you have to download the application first. Now click on the download now options and select which device that you want to download the Stremio with. So if you are going to download it from Windows, click on the download option from the Windows options. If you are going to download it to your Mac, click on the download option for Mac. It is also open for Linux and Android TV, which is available on Google. And then afterwards, let's say we are going to download it to Mac, click on the Stremio 5 ARM, and then click on the download options from the APK file. And then what you need to do is to wait for a few seconds until the APK file will successfully download to the device of your Mac device. Now afterwards, if it's successful, click on the open options. And now what you need to do is to log in. Make sure that you are going to log in with your Apple account.